One of the best techniques for applying essential oils is to massage them into the skin. The skin is selectively permeable, allowing water and lipid-based compounds, such as essential and vegetable oils, to pass through. Essential oils penetrate the outer layer of the epidermis, stratum corneum, because of their tiny molecules and bioactivity. They eventually enter the lymphatic system after passing through the cells and intercellular gaps of the dermis. Absorption may also occur through the hair follicles and sweat ducts. Topically, specific essential oils molecules will enter the bloodstream, where they travel to the target location. These molecules then enter the venous circulation and are eliminated via the kidney and urinary system, the lungs, and the skin.